इंडियन होता है ना, इसको बॉक्स मानता मैं, ले तभी नहीं है इसको। ये क्या है, मतलब बॉक्स जैसा ही लग रहा है, टक 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 यो। See, it's not so good looking, right? India will get that stylish ones, design ones and all. This more looks like box in circular form, whatever that means. So yeah, so this is here's, see, you see there is a difference. Okay, so this is a mixer grinder. So this is idli and chutney, and to my Canadian friends, Canadian viewers, here is how you can eat it. And for my Indian viewers, super. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you. Hi everyone. Once you have come to Canada, mostly everything will get easily, like groceries or let's say Indian food items, etc. You will get easily. But there is one thing that you will not get easily. That is in this box. I am going to open this box today. I'm going to show you, and you will be surprised to see, because I am surprised. And with this, tomorrow lunch and breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is idli. So I'll open it. Let's go. So the mixer grinder, Preethy Eco Plus mixer grinder. This costed us around $300. The one you get in India has a different voltage requirement capacity. This is specially made for US and Canada region specific. Okay, so let's open this Preethy mixer grinder. I'll tell you one funny story. So when we were in Sweden, when we were coming back to India, like we were vacating house, we put up all the items for sale. Okay, one of the most quickly sold items, or the most demanded item, was mixer grinder and idli stand. So the moment we put, I think there were at least 4 to 5 sellers who were traveling immediately, that they wanted. Huge demand for mixer grinders and idli maker. This is chachu. Chachu, 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 chachu. That's the mixer grinder. Now as usual, now that you're watching this video, I have to show you how to make idli, right? So we're going to make idli also, and in this video we'll continue watching. And to my Canadian friends, Canadian viewers, here is how you can eat it. And for my Indian viewers, super. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.